Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use keyframe in CapCut PC. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut here. Click on import and choose the video that you want to add. After that, drag the video on your timeline. Here you guys will find out the options. Under basic option, here you guys can find out transformation, and now you guys can see the scale option. Click here. Now choose where you want to put the keyframe. Then you guys can customize the scale like this, and you guys can also scale it up, or you guys can also scale it down. It will work like zoom in or zoom out. Then you guys can also extend the video and put where you want to zoom in. To export the video, click here. You guys can also edit the cover. Now click on export. After that, you guys can also share the video on TikTok, or if you guys want to publish it on YouTube, you guys can also do it. You can also customize the changes from here. To share it, click on share. So this is how you guys can add keyframe in CapCut PC. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.